Hello and welcome to part 1 of the Taxidermy Trophy Heads in Paper Mache series. In this video, we're going to talk about preparation, because before construction, you need an excellent 3D design. Here's an example of a well thought out design. It has been fully colored and all body parts are included. For your design, you will be required to show 2 or more angles, so at least a side view and a front view of your animal head. Your design must also be colored so you have a plan for what colors you'll use in the future. Today you're going to begin by drawing the shape of your wall mount on your piece of foam board or cardboard. You're going to either trace a stencil or draw your own with just some minor alterations from the stencils provided. So you'll draw your wall mount shape on the foam or cardboard, and then you're going to cut it out using scissors. Next, you're going to create your animal's neck. You will take a stencil that's provided, and you will place a paper cup inside of it. Trace the stencil with a Sharpie marker. And then you're going to write your name on the bottom of your cup and then cut on the line you drew. Just cut carefully because it is this edge that you're cutting that will be attached to your wall mount. The next step will be to attach the neck to the wall mount. You want the long end down. This is the wrong way, so watch how I turn the cup so that the longer end of the cup is facing down. This is now the correct way. I can now begin to tape, using masking tape strips, my neck, which is the cup, onto the wall mount. Use as many pieces of masking tape as you need to secure the neck onto the wall mount. Just make sure as you work that you fold the tape neatly around the edge of the wall mount so that you have a clean edge. Just make sure as you work that you don't cover up your name and class number with the masking tape. At this point, that is the only place that has your name on it, and everyone's projects looks the same right now. One quick tip I want to leave you with is don't pull too hard on the tape as you wrap it around your wall mount. You want your wall mount to stay flat and you don't want it to bend up towards the bottom of the cup. Finish these dry steps today because next class we're going to begin with paper mache. Your project is going to be very unique when you're all finished because you're going to build the head and all the facial features using paper mache newspaper.